Hey guys, Dan Hood, Big DH 2000 here. Got a package from Voodoo Resins. We're going to do an opening. This is actually for a custom order I have. So let's take the tape off so you guys can see it. And I'm going to do more than just a little bit of opening. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to use materials or how to study them so that you can maybe use them differently. Now, first of all, this is what Matt calls a Kraken or Kraken core. Okay, that's the aluminum wobbling all over the place, the aluminum mesh. And then he does all kinds of, my guess is that he pours the black resin first and then the various colors in the middle as he goes, and it kind of pushes the stuff. But I don't fully understand how he does it all. It's part of his voodoo magic. Okay. You can also see there's some clear spots in it. There's some glow in the dark in it. Now, I want to talk, let's see which one. Let's take this one, because this one's got, you can see if you look in the light, it's got some interesting black in there and things like that. Now, when you get resin like this, you see, but that's this side. Then if you look at this side's broader and spread. So when you cut through the layer, if you put this side down to your slingshot, you're going to get more and more of the turquoise as you sand down and round. If you put this side down, you'll get more and more of the black, okay? And maybe you see up here there's some clear. You might, a lot of that might be left when you get done sanding. Other things you got to think about. Both of these right here, these two slingshots, are from a slab almost identical to this. Well, none of them are identical because, you know, it's hand poured. That's why you ask Matt for custom slabs. If it was machine poured, it wouldn't be the same, you know. But if you look, they're both from the same slab, but look how different they look and look how much you can make changes to them, you know. And look, one side to the other is very different. You can see the depth of the black in there. This one is one way. This one's more gray and clear and black. You know, you got so you got to think ahead about what you want to see in the resin before you glue it on, if you will. Like I said, you want to see more turquoise, put the turquoise side down, okay? But also, you can put it this way, and put it this way. You can put it down here, you can put it up here, here, you know, anywhere. You kind of got to think ahead. It's just like any material in life. You got to, wood's the same way. Do you want the nice knot in it? Do you want the reddish color? Do you want the two-tone color? You know, all of that stuff. Resin's the same way, especially this cool stuff like Matt makes. It's 2, 3, 4, 5 tone sometimes. And I don't know how he does it. I'd probably hurt my head thinking about it. But anyway, just some thoughts, okay? Kind of think about what you want to see in the end, and then decide what part of the slab you're going to use. Make sense? Anyway, Matt, as always, man, this incredible stuff. And I love the way the quality keeps improving and the variety keeps improving. And gosh, I've been around watching you do this stuff for years now. Anyway, guys, just some thoughts. The same thoughts apply to knives. The same thoughts apply to anything you can put this resin on, including the pens. You know, including pens when you get pen blanks from Matt. You know, where do you cut it? Where do you position it? How do you want it? Do you want it to look like the black is falling? Or do you want to look like the black is floating up? You know, a whole bunch of things you can think through and do if you really put your mind to it. Take care.